everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex. Gotta remind you every once in a while. Today, I'm teaming up with AboutFace Beauty again. I'm going to be ranking their Wreck the Halls holiday gift sets. Oh, so satisfying. I saved this one for you guys. I don't know if this is ASMR, but... AboutFace Beauty has 4 holiday gift sets. If you don't know AboutFace Beauty, then you obviously don't watch this channel because I've talked about them a million times. AboutFace Beauty's Halsey's brand. It's all about multi-dimensional, high pigment, super expressive artistry makeup. Colorful, bold, versatile, but it's also vegan, clean, and cruelty-free. They have some of my favorite makeup products. I've been talking about them for, I don't even know how long. Since I used the brand, I pretty much fell in love with them. So basically today I wanna go through all of the gift sets. I wanna show you like what's going on with them. I wanna rank them to my favorite. And I'm gonna be creating a makeup look using at least one of the products from each collection. So you'll get to see them in action. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. So AboutFace Beauty is having 12 days of deals. They're gonna be having promos site-wide. Plus there will be free gifts with purchase. I believe if you purchase using the link that I have down below for you guys. There will also be free express shipping on purchases $75 and over from December 14th to the 19th. I'll have all the like super important information linked down below just in case. But yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so very difficult to, honestly, picking my favorite one, super easy. Then ranking the rest of them, very difficult. If I had to choose one to just start off with, it would be the Naughty, Nice, or Neutral gift set. Basically, you have everything in here that you need for like a classic nude lip. So we have the lip liner in Little Little. We have the lip gloss, Light Lock lip gloss in Double Clutch. So pretty. It's like really beautiful tones for the cooler months. I like something a little bit more like grounded as far as a nude lip. You also have the matte fluid lip paint in Not Your Baby, which is one of my absolute faves. I love this color. So I'm gonna start off showing you this nude lip. I'm gonna go in first with Little Little lip liner. This set is $28, which is 30% down from the original price if you were to purchase. I can't talk to you while I do this. If you were to purchase all of these products individually. It's like a Your Lips But Better lip liner, in my opinion. Like color-wise, it's just like a little bit more color. Now I'm gonna go in with the Light Lock lip gloss. This is in Double Clutch. Ziva stole an ornament. Hold on. Come on, why? I just put this on here. All right, number 4, Naughty, Nice, or Neutral. You have everything for a nude, perfect nude lip. You can obviously use all of them together, or you can just go matte, go glossy, like I did. Super beautiful formulas, love these so much, and very flattering on a multitude of skin tones. Okay, I feel like this was actually like the hardest spot. Number 3, I'm going with Starry Night. Okay, so in this set, we have the Line Artist Longwear Gel Eyeliner in Sad Girl, this beautiful like cobalt blue. Then we have the matte eyeshadow stick. This is in Oxide. And then we obviously have the matte fluid eye paint in Art of Darkness. Okay, what I love about Starry Night is that you have basically every eye product that you would need to create a statement eye look. If you are, or someone you know loves to create like bold eye makeup looks, you can wear them all together. You can obviously wear like one at a time, but regardless, any of these products are gonna make like a serious impact. One of my particular favorites, black matte eye paint, the Art of Darkness eye paint, which is what I'm going to use right now. So this set retails for $29, which is also 30% down. So I'm gonna paint this in one of my favorite shapes, starting from the inner corner, going up a little. Great thing about this set, no fallout. Eyes, no fallout. I love that so much. Okay, number 2, Holiday Punch. This is the one that we opened at the beginning. I wanted to open the red one. Everything that you need for a classic holiday red lip. We have the matte Fix Lip Pencil in Forever Flame. Classic red, obviously. We have the matte Paint It Lip Color in Fireside. And then we have the Light Lock Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Blame Game, which is like a little bit lighter. You can layer on top of the red lip to like customize, or you can just use your red lip liner going with this, or you could just wear the gloss. So you have everything that you might need for a classic holiday lip, or you can customize using the gloss. I'm gonna hold on to these because I wanna finish my eyes before I give you an option for a more bold lip look. So Holiday Punch is also $28, which is also 30% down. Okay, number one. My personal favorite, Ice Me Out. We have in this set a beautiful combination of like icy light colors and bold dark colors. First up, we have the Pearly Shadow Stick. This is in 2002. I love this color so much. One of my favorites. Goes beautifully with the Light Lock Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Such Great Heights, which is a really beautiful, like metallic peachy nude. Then if you want to go a little bit more bold, a little bit more sultry, we have the Longwear Gel Eyeliner in Into the Void. Classic black, love. And to top it all off, we have the Loose Glitter. This is in Juniper Leaf. So I'm gonna pop this on top of my matte fluid eye paint so that you can really, really see it, but it's this really stunning, like kind of purpley green shift with like a black base. Fantastic. So this is a great one if you're looking for versatility. I'm gonna take a little bit of the glitter and I'm gonna pat it into the cap so it's easy to pick up. And I'm going to pat this on top of the matte fluid eye paint. So starting in the center, and then I'm gonna bring it out to the edges. Ugh, isn't that so beautiful? If you guys are intimidated by loose glitters, by the way, just make sure that you're tapping your brush off. You can also spritz it with a little bit of like a setting mist, which will kind of just like help to keep it a little bit more grounded to the brush so it's not going all over the place. Dope Holiday. Does that look so beautiful on top of that black? All right guys, so I just applied a little bit of mascara. The Ice Me Out kit retails for $38, which is also 30% down from the original price if you were to buy all of these individually. Now that we've seen this look with a more nude lip, I want to show you how it would look with like a more statement holiday lip. So we're gonna go back to Holiday Punch. I'm gonna line my lips with Forever Flame. And then I'm gonna go in with Fireside Paint It Lip Color. Here's the finished look with a more bold holiday lip. All right guys, so those are all of the About Face Beauty holiday kits ranked, okay? Don't forget that they are having huge promotions site-wide. All of the information will be linked down below. You have until December 26th to take advantage of the free express shipping on purchases over $75 and over. So keep that in mind. Highly recommend you guys check out the About Face Beauty holiday sets. They're super cute, like really adorable, fun to open, you know? They have a bunch of really nice options for you or somebody in your life who might be into makeup. Highly recommend, you know, from something a little bit more like natural, neutral, and wearable to like super statement bold. Hopefully this kind of gave you like a better idea. I'm super interested to hear like which one is your favorite. Like how would you rank them essentially? If you think my ranking was justified, which one your favorite is, if you're thinking about picking them up for yourself or someone else, let me know. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed. Once again, everything will be linked down below, easy to find. And happy holidays, you guys. I'll see you soon.